Host, welcome back, foodies. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of arancini and uncovering some lesser-known facts about these golden orbs of goodness. Join us as we explore this beloved Italian street food's history, unique variations, and surprising origins. Let's get rolling. Hello, everyone. We're excited to have you here as we unravel the secrets of arancini. These mouth-watering rice balls are a popular street food in Italy and beyond. So, grab a seat, prepare your taste buds, and let's dig in. Origins. Did you know that arancini have a history that dates back centuries? The origin of these scrumptious snacks can be traced back to the Arabs who introduced rice cultivation to Sicily during their rule in the 9th century. The name arancini even comes from the Italian word for little oranges, owing to their resemblance to the fruit. Rice ball variety. Arancini might be synonymous with a delicious rice ball, but did you know that there are different regional variations throughout Italy? In Sicily, the birthplace of arancini, they are traditionally filled with a ragù sauce, peas, and cheese. However, in other parts of Italy, you might find variations filled with a range of ingredients such as mushrooms, ham, spinach, or even seafood. Each region puts its own spin on these delectable treats. Get ready for a surprise in the center. While arancini are typically filled with savory ingredients, there's an interesting variation called arancini al cioccolato, a sweet version filled with a creamy chocolate center. These delightful dessert arancini are a tantalizing twist on the classic and a must-try for any chocolate lover. Frying technique. Want to know the secret to achieving the perfect crispy exterior? The traditional method of cooking arancini involves deep frying. The high heat creates a golden and crunchy shell while sealing in the flavors of the filling. However, with modern culinary techniques, you can also find baked or air-fried versions that offer a healthier alternative without compromising on taste. Global popularity. Arancini have gained popularity far beyond the borders of Italy. You can now find variations of these rice balls in countries like Australia, the United States, and even South America. These international interpretations often incorporate local flavors and ingredients, showcasing the versatility and adaptability of arancini. And that's a wrap on our video exploring the unknown facts about arancini. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the history and diversity of these delectable rice balls. Remember, the next time you savor an arancino, you'll have a deeper appreciation for its cultural significance and the craftsmanship that goes into creating this beloved Italian street food. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video as appetizing as we did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more tantalizing culinary content. Until next time, mangia bene and enjoy every flavorful bite.